Bengaluru's Metro Yellow Line, approved way back in 2014, is now finally a reality. 16 stations and a total travel time of just around 30 minutes. It's set to transform commute across the tech corridor. On August 10th, the Prime Minister will officially flag it off. But NDTV got an exclusive first look at what your Yellow Line ride will feel like.
Days ahead of the official inauguration of the Yellow Line Metro, we're here at the RV Road Metro Station, and we're going to for the first time show our viewers how the swanky new metro station looks like. Apart from that, we'll also of course give our viewers a perspective of the driverless train and how much time it actually takes to commute on this new Yellow Line of the Namma Metro. So here we are at the RV Road Metro Station, and the first look of the Yellow Line and the special driverless train that is of course going to get chugging in just a few days' time as the Prime Minister inaugurates it. Here of course we have a driver because there is this is the loco pilot who's here. These are test runs of course that are going to be conducted. So up until then they are going to of course have a loco pilot monitoring the movement of this particular Yellow Line.
BMRCL has received delivery of 3 trains for the Yellow Line. While the first was imported from China, the subsequent ones are being assembled right here in India at a facility in Kolkata. The line runs through high traffic areas like Silk Board, Bomnalli, and connects directly to the tech corridors housing India's big tech.
This line was very overdue. Since we could not get the clearance from the technical team, we had to delay it due to some technical problem which has been from Itanagar. So only 3 trains have come as on today. 10th Honorable Prime Minister has given a time to inaugurate this. So I am just doing the recce here. We are not inaugurating, we are just doing a recce for the arrangements here.
So in just about 32 minutes from RV Road, we are here at Delta Electronics in Bommasandra. A distance of about 19 kilometers. One could hardly imagine that it can of course be covered so quickly, but that's what the Bengaluru Metro has been doing. But the need of the hour of course is to ensure that there are more trains, the frequency is increased, and more importantly, all the metro stations and the lines are completed on time.
With camera person Govind, Deepak Bopana for NDTV.